everyone. Welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now. Now let me introduce you to today's topic. Today in our Indian Heritage Art Series, we will continue with our one of the most exquisite paintings, stand as a classical example of the amalgamation of art, poetry and classical music in medieval India, Ragmala paintings from Rajasthani miniatures. Part 4, this time presenting Raga Bhairav. So be a part of this elegant journey, paintings and stories behind Ragmala paintings. Here presenting Raga Bhairav. Friends, I have a boundless of fondness and respect towards this exquisite synthesis of painting and music in one forum. Ragmala paintings have really shown us an exclusive way to redefine art. From the year 1475 till now, it keeps us awestruck whenever we take a look at this. So here, allow me to recall that we have already talked through Todi Ragini, Hindola Raga and Ragini Vasanti on our 16 June, 30th June and 7 July videos, which is there on our channel ready for your visit. And it is time for the first flower of the Ragmala paintings or Ragmala to bloom. This has all the other ragas tied to it. It's Raga Bhairav. My acrylic canvas cannot wait to paint the raga of the first light of the dawn. Let's enter the journey. Here, friends, let me just recall that by now we already know about Ragmala paintings. Since it is the fourth part, Ragmala paintings are a form of Indian miniature paintings, a set of illustrative paintings which depicts the variations of Indian classical musical modes called ragas. So Ragmala means garland of ragas. So here music found its way into Rajasthani miniatures as Nayak Nayika were painted in the disguise of Raga and Ragini. Okay, so by the way, the earliest known Ragmala painting has been found on the margins of a now missing manuscript dated back to 1475 from Western India. So let's us also recall that the art of miniature painting was introduced to the land of India by Mughals. Mughal ruler Humayun brought artists from Persia who were trained in the miniature paintings. They then trained the Indian painters, and these Indian painters started this miniature painting in a new distinctive style inspired by the royal and romantic lifestyle of the Mughals. So these Indian versions of miniature painting, which Indian artists in their own style drawn, is known as Rajput or Rajasthani painting. So that was a short recall of the central topic about Ragmala paintings or Rajasthani miniature, and it is very much necessary whenever I do this because so that we can have a clear idea about what is actually Rajasthani miniatures. But let us now uncover the key topic, Raga Bhairav, which we are depicting today. So here in Ragas, in the Ragmala, there are 84 Raga and Raginis because all each Raga has 5 wives called Raginis and 8 sons called Ragaputras. And all the paintings are depicted based on the ragas, particular ragas, theme, character, attitude, colors. Whenever we sing it based on that. Raga Bhairav is an Indian classical raga of Bhairav That. It is a Sampurna Raga that is traditionally performed in the morning time and also as the beginning piece of concerts. It is the defining raga of its own thought. According to the Indian classical vocalist Pandit Jashraj, Bhairav is a, quote, he said, morning raga and solemn peacefulness is its ideal mood. It is grave in mood and suggests seriousness and introversion and devotional attitude. Bhairav Raga is an ancient raga that is considered to be extremely old and originated many centuries ago. According to some musicians, Bhairava Raga was the first raga that originated from the mouth of Lord Shiva, while some musicians argue that Bhairava Raga originated from the mouth of Lord Surya. That is why it is sung in the daytime. Bhairava is one of the names of Shiva, especially in his powerful form as a naked ascetic with matted locks and body smeared with ashes. The ragas too have some of these masculine and ascetic attributes in their form and compositions. The Bhairava Raga itself is extremely vast and allows a huge number of notes, combinations and a great range of emotional qualities from valor to peace. So that was about the Bhairava Raga. What is that raga and as in musical note. Now let's come to the Ragmala painting as in Bhairava Raga painting, how we are depicting today, how the painting goes. One of the 8 forms of Hindu god Shiva, Raga Bhairava inaugurates the series of musical modes. Bhairava is identified by his third eye, pale bluish grey skin, the snake around his neck and the garland of severed skulls that he wears. In this painting, he is seated on a richly adorned bed, accompanied by women who tend to their needs, one of whom mixes a paste of fragrant sandalwood, alerting the viewer to the sensory qualities of the image. Other 2 women are singing the very same raga. The color of the sky creates a rich and intense atmosphere that indicates the time just before sunrise when this raga is performed. So friends, this raga can be sung during any season. It has special significance during the monsoons. Interestingly, it is also usually the beginning piece of any Indian classical musical concert. Some people even consider Raga Bhairav to be a redefined version of the folk music of Bhairava tribals. This raga is associated with a purifying experience. Perhaps this is why all paintings depicting the raga show Shiva with his female partner who is applying sandalwood on his body. Well, Ragmala paintings dominated an entire genre of Indian miniature paintings for nearly 400 years, making them one of the most popular brackets of miniature paintings in the region. It is no surprise, therefore, that the imagination of the music that accompanied the imagery of the painting continues to captivate us, and it will forevermore. You can, and don't forget that you can only find these kind of interesting and exquisite painting details on Imagination Gallery. like today's fascinating journey of an Indian heritage, Ragmala paintings, Raga Bhairav, the very first Raga? Transmit your feedbacks and suggestions about our drawing sessions here in the comment box. So if you like our drawing sessions and you want to know more about different illustrations, paintings and stories behind them, then do not forget to subscribe our channel. Here's wishing you an amazing week ahead. Stay safe and take care. Bye for now.